Addy.
Hey guys, so when I initially did my hair for this video, right, this Ririhair, I didn't do this updo, but it wasn't until after I finished the video that I was playing with the hair and stuff, and I did this cute half up, half down. I posted like little videos in my story, pictures on Instagram or whatever. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me at I am Essence Christina. But yes, follow me. But I just wanted to show y'all that this is the same hairstyle, because sometimes when I post hairstyles, y'all are like, what video is that? Or, you know, da 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 da. So this is that. This is this video. This hairstyle is this video. So even though I didn't do this hairstyle in the video, this is the same hair. It's really cute, and I love this look, and everybody else like seemed to love it too. So I just wanted to tell y'all that. Enjoy the video. All right, you guys, I want you all to see the packaging. It was wrapped in a bow, but I took it off. I wish I would have got that, but it was beautifully wrapped in a bow. And the inside is gold. It's a lot of gold going on, like the bow was gold. They give you a note, like a thank you. I love when companies do that, and I love the marble, so chic. So I got a little letter, I got a brush, gold as well. And here is the wig. Here she is. So gorgeous. What it do, Chris crew? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here. I mean, we are talking about hair, so I am here with this wig from Ririhair, and it's really, really pretty. It is 20 inches. It is body wig, and it is Brazilian virgin hair, and this is a lace front wig. So I want to show you guys how I applied this wig. It was really easy. You know, a lot of the work is done for you. A whole lot of the work is done for you. Whole lot. The entire front is already bleached. It's a nice light brown lace. It's a pre-plucked hairline, so I did not have to pluck this hairline, okay? I did not have to pluck this hairline. So the hairline is pre-plucked, and it does have an elastic band. Like, you know, it pretty much has all the things you would want in a wig. You know what I'm saying? So I want to show you how I apply it to see if you guys will like it. All right, you guys, the wig is on. And it's very like snug on my head, which I like. This is how it looks. As you guys can see, the lace is still on, but we are going to go ahead and cut that off together. Yeah, so I have my cap on. I laid it down. So now we're going to actually like lay the wig down. So like I was saying, the wig is really snug, and I like that. It fits really, really good. I got the medium cap size. Yes, the cap size I have is medium. It's 22.5 inches, and it fits me really, really good. I like the way it fits. Like, it's snug. I feel like I've gotten some wigs that were big, and I don't like that. Like, even with the adjustable strap, I still don't like my wig too big. And speaking of adjustable strap, so yeah, a lot of wigs, even when they have the elastic band, when it's too big, to me, it still looks too big. Like, the band can only pull it together some. Long story short, I just don't like a too big wig, but this wig fits me really, really good. And this wig also has an elastic band. It has a pretty unique elastic band. I've never really seen an elastic band like this on a wig. It reminds me of a bra, like, you know, a bra that you wear like to hold your girls up. It reminds me of that. I'm gonna show y'all the elastic band on this wig. So yes, yeah, now we're gonna get into actually like laying the wig and getting it ready to wear. So I'm gonna put it up for a second while I get ready to cut the lace off. So this is body wave, okay? guys, so we are going to go ahead and take the scarf off together. I have laid down the baby hairs, I've laid down the wig, but I'll let y'all see all that. But now we're gonna like finish it up. There's not much styling to do because like I said, I got the Brazilian, I got the body wave, so it's already like a wave pattern, you know what I'm saying? So I don't need my curling iron, I don't need any of that, and I'll be sure to let y'all see the pattern. But yeah, let's take the scarf off. And okay, I like it. Let me get up close. So the baby hair is laid down. Y'all can see the part. That part is so pretty. It's a lot of parting space, y'all. The part goes back, okay? A lot of parting space. And then the hairline was already pre-plucked, like I told y'all. So I did not use tweezers once for this wig. Not one time. No tweezers, no nothing. Like, this wig is very, very, very beginner friendly. This wig is pretty amazing. The hairline was like really, really nicely plucked, like really plucked. So it's not a whole lot more to say about this wig from Ririhair. It is absolutely beautiful. You can wear it right in this pattern. I'm kind of curious to see how the hair looks straight. I'm not gonna lie, but I ain't gonna hold y'all up and make y'all sit here. But I might actually like straighten this wig, you know, later or another day, because I just want to see how it looks straight because it has such a pretty texture. But I'm gonna leave it alone for right now in case, you know, you guys get the Brazilian body wave, and if that's the look that you're trying to achieve, I want to show it to y'all properly. So yes, Brazilian body wave right here. Bleached knots. The entire lace was bleached perfectly. I didn't have to do a thing. So you guys know I always tell you what I love about a wig, but I will tell you what I do not like about a wig. And that's why I consider this a pretty good wig, because I really don't have any cons. The only thing I would say is I am more of a full, I like my hair a little more full than this. Excuse me. So the density of this wig is 130, and I think I would have got a 150 or, you know, 180. But that's if you like it's still full. Like, don't get me wrong, but I'm a person, I'll do like 4 or 5 bundles with a frontal. Like, y'all know me. So I kind of wish I would have went the next step up with the density. So thank you to Ririhair, and I'm gonna read it just so I'm sure that I get it right. This is the Body Wave Virgin Brazilian Hair Lace Front Wig, and it has RLWO2 next to it to be sure you get the same exact wig, just let you know. But I will have all this info down below. You guys let me know if you get it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you're interested. Let me know if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them for you. Ririhair's customer service was absolutely amazing. And so yes, that's about all I have to say. I love you guys. As always, be nice to each other. Most importantly, be nice to yourself. And y'all have an amazing day.